The B1/B2 visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows individuals to enter the United States for business or pleasure. The process for applying for a B1/B2 visa can be divided into several steps. All the links are provided below in description. Step 1. Determine eligibility. The first step in applying for a B1/B2 visa is to determine if you are eligible. This includes ensuring that you have a valid passport, that you have a reason for traveling to the United States, such as business or tourism, and that you have the financial means to support yourself during your stay. You can check your eligibility for the B1/B2 visa by visiting the U.S. Department of State's website. Step 2. Complete the online visa application. The next step is to complete the online visa application, known as the DS-160 form. This form can be found on the U.S. Department of State's website. It will ask for personal information, travel plans, and other details. You will also need to upload a photograph of yourself. Step 3. Schedule an interview. After completing the online visa application, you will need to schedule an interview at the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate. This can typically be done through the same website where you completed the DS-160 form, or by visiting the U.S. Embassy or consulate website in your country. Step 4. Gather supporting documents. Before the interview, you will need to gather several supporting documents. This may include proof of your travel plans, proof of your financial means, and any other relevant documents. It is important to check the U.S. Embassy or consulate website for specific document requirements. You can find more information on the document requirements in the link in description. Step 5. Attend the interview. On the day of the interview, you will need to bring your passport, the DS-160 confirmation page, and all of the supporting documents. You will also need to pay the visa application fee. During the interview, the consular officer will ask you questions about your travel plans and background. Step 6. Wait for a decision. After the interview, the consular officer will make a decision on your visa application. This process can take several weeks, and you will be informed of the decision via email or mail. If your visa is approved, your passport will be returned to you with the visa inside. You can check the status of your application using the confirmation number provided after the interview, using the CEAC status tracker. Conclusion. In summary, applying for a B1/B2 visa involves determining eligibility, completing an online application, scheduling an interview, gathering supporting documents, attending the interview, and waiting for a decision. By following these steps and providing accurate and complete information, you can increase your chances of a successful visa application. Be sure to check the U.S. Department of State's website for the most up-to-date information. The process and requirements may change over time, and it is important to stay informed and comply with the instructions provided by the government.